My new 2-in-1 fly rod just came in. Let's open it up and check it out. Here is the rod case. Got a handle, carrying strap, extra hook, zipper at the top, nice embroidered logo, and a spot to put your name and address in case you lose this. We've got cushioning on the top here. Then you'll see our case. Slide that out. You can see the inside is nice in fabric as well. We've got two ties on here holding this together, and we can unroll it. You'll see this flips open, and that's how we're going to get to our pieces here. So there's our main piece. We got kind of a nice copper color to this. It's brown, but a little bit metallic and shiny. Unroll this. You can see that nice cork there. Really love cork grips. Here's the machined reel seat. Take this rubber band off to get it out of the way. This piece is going to move freely, and these two pieces are going to spin independently. Here's our second piece. And then once we get to the smaller pieces, we're going to start to get more of that fly reel style guide. Here's our last piece. And then of course our extension piece here. So that's going to be the 4 normal pieces plus the extension there. If you're going to just use this with the 4 pieces, you can go ahead and put it together like that. And then that. And then the last one just slips on there. Now, if you're looking to build this with the extension, you'll take your first piece here and then put this one on right away. And then we can grab the second piece that we used for the first time. And then you just build it out normally from there. So to install our reel, all we're going to have to do is find the opening on this piece here. See it there, right at the top. So we'll slide our reel into that, just like this. And then there's a similar opening on this piece, so you just have to rotate it till you find it. And then you can just slide it up, and you can go ahead and tighten this first piece down. And once that's tightened down, you can lock it in with this one. So let's go ahead and finish running the line, throw a tie on there, and we'll try this thing out. So you can see we've got the rod totally put together out here. Let's go ahead and try and cast it. And that was in the short configuration, but we'll go ahead and add that extra piece on and try out the long configuration now. Alright, we've got the extra section added in there. As you can see, that's right from there to there. So it's looking just a bit longer. Let's go ahead and cast it again and try it out. So there you go, 2-in-1 fishing rod. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 fly rod, go ahead and check this one out.